This is Jason with Universal Auto Works. I'm here today to tell you why you should choose Universal Auto Works mobile auto repair service as your preferred technicians. One good thing is that we come to you. So if you're at work and you're too busy, we can come to your place of work and work on your car. Or we can go to your house and work on your car on your day off. So you can actually be there to socialize and interact with the technician who's a certified L1 Master Diagnostic AXC technician, which is the highest level of certification you get in the ASC certification world. So besides the fact that we can make your life a lot easier, we offer a parts and labor warranty on all of our work for up to a year and 12,000 miles in your vehicle. Most shops don't even offer you any kind of warranty. We also hire skilled laborers who aren't straight out of high school, who just tinker with their cars at their house. All of our technicians are certified through the ASC certification program, and they know how to properly diagnose and repair vehicles and do common maintenance work such as brakes, lubricant changes such as fluids, brake fluid, oil changes, transmissions. We do brake jobs, so any routine maintenance and even heavy line work such as engine and transmission repair. We can do most of that in your driveway. So the benefit of using an ASC technician is that they know how to properly pinpoint a concern instead of just replacing parts to eventually get your concern taken care of. A lot of shops today will just throw parts at cars, is what you'll hear in the mechanic world. When they can't get rid of a noise, they'll just keep replacing certain parts until the noise goes away, which can cost you a hefty bill. We also will use OE, which is original equipment aftermarket parts, which can cost you significantly less than going to a dealership and paying for dealership prices, because they only use manufacturer parts. The parts we provide are equal or better quality and normally come with a lifetime warranty or a 1 to 2 year warranty. Another benefit of working with us is if you have any mechanical problems that leave you stranded somewhere, we can come to you and fix your car up to the point where you can drive it back to your home instead of having to call a tow truck and pay a hefty bill and have it towed to a shop of your choosing where they're going to have to get to it the next day. So if you feel like you're too busy and you don't have the time to waste to drive to a mechanic and leave your car overnight or throughout the day and having to find a ride to and from the shop to get your car, please call us and we'll come to you.